Hey YouTube, how we doing today? That's right, surprise, surprise, surprise! We got another great blade from Gerber in the shop. So stay tuned right after we roll that intro, and we're going to show you what's in there. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. As you saw, we're going to take a look today at the Gerber Razorfish. Now, for you cool people who've been watching my channel for a while and haven't subscribed, I love you for the views, but please take a moment. Should be somewhere down in the lower right-hand side of the screen that you're watching on. Please nail that subscribe button for me. It would mean the world to me. Now, as I said, we're going to take a look at the Gerber Razorfish. Here she is. Instantly, when I saw it, I went, oh, that's cute. It's like the baby brother of the fullback. Now, speaking of fullbacks, I'm going to leave a card right up there, because we brought one of those to the channel before. Now let's get into the stats like we usually do. It's got an overall length of 7 inches. Closed, it's 4.25, and the blade is, wow, small blade, 2.875 inches. Dang, that's a small guy. And it comes in at an easy to carry weight of about 3.30 ounces. Now, the blade steel is 7CR 17 MOV. It's not a bad steel, it's a budget steel, and I get it because this blade doesn't cost a lot, so we're good with that. Something else I've been seeing on Gerber recently, instead of having another, you know, how should I say, the female side of the pivot screw, they're putting their logo right there, which I think is pretty damn cool. Now, it does have a plain edge. It's done in the Wharncliff style, which I love that aggressive little chop off on some blades. And it is coated with that gray tritium nitrate coating that Gerber loves to do, that they say, you know, helps ward off corrosion, rust, resistance, and all that other, you know, the bad things for your blade. It does have, and they see, I missed this in the beginning when I was playing with it. Right there, that's a paracord cutter. It reminds me of a CRKT VEF serration. And I think that's kind of cool. And we're going to demo that in a moment. Alright. It has a stainless steel frame on the inside. Hopefully you can see part of that. Looks to be just on one side. Alright, I can live with that. That's cool. The scales are coined aluminum. Now, if you're unsure what coined is, basically the scales, I should say the aluminum's put in a press, and it's a heavy-duty press that comes down on it. It's kind of like stamping coins that you wear, or when you're in the military, those eagles that are embossed on the buttons on your dress uniforms. Something along that process. Now, it does have only one way to open it, and that's a flipper open. It was a little tough at first, but then again, most Gerber blades are when you first get them. You got to oil them up, you got to work them in, and then they work fine. It does have a liner lock. As usual, we love taking a look at this. There's your Gerber logo, but nothing about made in Portland, so China. All right, now for the fun part. Pretty sharp right out of the box. And I mean, I know some of you are familiar with Gerber products. You know that's a hit or miss with them right out of the box. Okay, well, as I said, let's just check the paracord cutter. Okay, really? Let's try that again. That is not like a CRKT VEF serration. Yeah, wow. Now let's move on to paracord on the blade. Pull test. Right through it. And let's just do a 2 slice test. Wow. That was no problem. All right, let's try for 4. Yeah, it's because I was holding it wrong on that 4th. But okay, it cuts through it. Nice. So it gets a noise. Alrighty. Now, as we usually do, we took a look at the cost and ratings over on Amazon, Gerber, and Blade HQ. Blade HQ, it's going to run you $28.95. On Gerber, it's going to run you $37. And on Amazon, it's $28.49. So they're all pretty much in the ballpark, which is kind of weird. Normally, there's a great discrepancy at times. Its rating over on Blade HQ is 3 out of 5. Gerber, 4 out of 5. And Amazon, it's 4.1 out of 5. But you know what, guys? I want to know what you think. You know, you've seen my quick little overview. Let me know what you think. Questions, comments, hatred, love, whatever, man. Down below in the comments section. You know I want to hear them. You know I love interacting with you guys. I learn as much as you guys do. And you guys teach me some things as well. Now, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for choosing this video. I know there's multiple options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you chose one of mine. Now, for you cool guys who missed it in the beginning, or you guys are turning in a little bit later, there's a channel logo that's going to pop up right down here in a moment. That is going to take you right to subscribe. Please click on that subscribe for me, man. It's only going to help us grow. It's only going to help us bring new and great things to the channel and increase our exposure. So for that, I'm indebted to you. After you've nailed that subscribe button and destroyed it, please blow up the bell icon that's right next to it. Man, I need more Mountain Dew today. Whew! Once you destroy that bell icon, what that's going to do is notify you every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog of videos that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My tabletop look at the Gerber Razorfish. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day today.